सर आज एक न्यूज़ हो रहा है कि स्पाइसजेट हैज़ क्लोज डाउन ऑपरेशंस. हाउ लॉन्ग हैज़ इट बीन दैट दे हैव क्लोज डाउन ऑपरेशंस और व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से ऑन दैट, सर?
Spicejet last operated from Dabalim Airport, I think 28th October 2023.
Okay, so from then
Since
on.
then, they are not operating. It is their business decision.
Sir, but how many flights they were operating earlier per day? Any idea?
At the end, I think they were operating 1 or 2 flights.
Okay, so they slowly cut down and stopped operation totally.
They are not operating right now.
Sir, any reason, particular reason? Some believe that airport handling charges are more and better offers elsewhere. Is that one of the reasons? There is a
No such what you call cost is more here, cost is less. It's not like there's a misconception nowadays. Even some of the news articles were saying that Dabalim is costlier to operate, but it's absolutely it is wrong. And today also we have seen in some newspapers articles in the name of rescue of Dabalim Airport by spreading false information. They are damaging the Dabalim Airport's prospects. Generally, you see, they are writing UDF charges are more at Dabalim Airport, but UDF charges are less here, and operating cost at Dabalim Airport is less.
Sir, somewhere when it comes to Dabolim, a lot of politics is happening. There are parties who are coming claiming that Dabolim is going to shut down. At one side, you are doing infrastructure of crores of rupees. One side, other side, people are saying it is going to be stopped. What is your say as an airport director?
See, I am a political person. We have nothing to do with politics. Dabalim Airport will continue to grow, and operational facilities will continue to improve the things. And this airport is having good potential.
Sir, during the weekends, usually Goa sees a lot of flights. I believe last Sunday you all had a lot of flights. So, how is it on weekends or business tourism season? Mein kaisa tha? How was it?
Yes, this is Goa being a leisure destination. People tend to come during the weekends and holidays. So generally, you see, on Sunday we operate around 100 and we have around 140 movements. And during Sunday, one more thing, we don't have any slot restriction.
Correct.
So this is these are the main reasons. This is a leisure destination. This is not any business destination and all like that. Mainly leisure destination. So people prefer to come on holidays.
So, sir, now first there was Air India that decided to go out, then Oman Air, Qatar Air. Now we're talking about Spicejet. Sir, but any other flights or whether other flights are operating, international flights are operating, charter flights are operating at Goa Airport?
As of now, we don't have any further information with us.
Any information from any other airline
No.
about it? But other flights are operating here?
Yes, yes. No, every day we are tweeting the schedules. You can see from that.
So there is absolutely no danger. Just politics here.
I don't say anything. This operation, good operations are there.
But it is confirmed that Spicejet has stopped operations
Yes,
here.
yes.
Thank you so much, sir.